Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another ArcGIS ArcMap tutorial. In this tutorial, we will see that how can you create a geodatabase, and then we will see that how can you do your task, your projects inside a geodatabase, and what are the advantages of geodatabase. So first of all, what is a geodatabase? A geodatabase or GDB is a container used to store GIS data like feature classes, tables, rasters, topologies, domains, everything. So there are three major types of geodatabases in ArcMap. First one, and the most commonly used and recommended one, is File Geodatabase. It's stored as a folder with extension of .gdb, supports very large datasets, faster in performance, and can store multiple feature classes and datasets. And then a personal geodatabase is based on Microsoft Access. It's stored as a single .mdb file, limited in size around 2 GB. It is an older format. Mostly used in small projects or in old systems. Then Enterprise Geodatabase, used in large organizations. It works with databases like SQL Server, Oracle, and Postgres. It supports multi-users and advanced security, centralized data management, and so on. So in this tutorial, we will see how to do work in File Geodatabase. First of all, let's see how can you create a File Geodatabase or a personal geodatabase. So here I am in D folder in our catalog, and if I will hit a right click on this folder, in new there are two options: File Geodatabase with .gdb extension, and then a personal geodatabase with .mdb extension. Why we are using geodatabases instead of simply creating a shapefile? So shapefiles are simple and popular, no doubt, but geodatabase provide many advantages, like problems with shapefile: limited field names, no topology, no relationship with classes, multiple files for only one layer, and size limitation. For example, if you will create a shapefile, then you will see that inside that folder there are actually multiple files, like .shp is storing geometry, .dbf stores attributes, .shx sport index, and .prj sport projections, and there are more than this count. Advantages of geodatabases are better data management, faster performance, sport topology and rules, stores everything in one place inside a container, and support domain systems. We will see that what is topology and what is this domain system. In next tutorial, we will see that how to create feature classes and feature dataset inside a geodatabase, and how can you draw feature each and everything, and what is the difference between feature classes and feature datasets. So many thanks. Take care. Allah Hafiz.